Hi, this video is for Wednesday, April 1st for Algebra 2. We're going to continue talking about law of sines. Today I'm going to teach you how to find a missing angle using law of sines. Okay, so if you remember from yesterday, law of sines looks like this. And this is a proportion, so you can pick any two of these based on what information you have, of course, and then you cross multiply to solve for the missing part. Now, yesterday we solved for missing sides. Today we're going to find missing angles. So there's going to be one more step, and it's going to involve inverse sine. So this. Do you remember how to find that on your phone calculator? Well, if not, it's second sine. So at some point today we're going to have to use second sine. But we're also going to use regular sine. So there's going to be two different parts. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to draw you the triangle for example 1, and then we'll get to it. Okay, so here's our first triangle, and we're trying to find the measure of angle B. So as you can see, 8 is across from 34 degrees. So we're going to start with 8 over sine 34. And that's going to equal 10 over sine B, capital B, because angles are represented with capital letters. Okay, so do you remember from yesterday how to cross multiply to solve this? I hope so. So first we're going to have 10 times sine of 34, so we're going to set it up, equals 8 times sine B. Okay, so our goal is to get B, angle B. So we're going to first have to divide both sides by 8. Okay, so here's where we're going to get our phone calculator out. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to put in 34. So 34, then we're going to press sine times 10 divided by 8 equals. Then we're going to press second and sine. So second sine. And after you do all of that, hopefully it equals 44.3 degrees. So angle B equals 44.3 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to recap how we typed that in your calculator. Okay, so 34 sine times 10 divided by 8 equals, and then second sine. So that is 44.3 degrees. Okay. So hopefully that made sense. We're going to try 2 more problems like that. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to take this off camera for a second to draw the triangle, and then I'll bring it back. Alright, so on example 2, we're going to find measure of angle C, and it's going to look like this. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so as you can see, we have 17 as the side, opposite angle 16. So we're going to start with 17 over sine 16 equals 24 over sine C. And we're going to cross multiply again. So we're going to have 17 sine C equals 24 sine 16. And we're going to divide both sides by 17. So to figure this out, we're going to type 16 sine times 24 divided by 17 equals, and then second sine. And then that should equal 22.9 degrees. So angle C is 22.9 degrees. Okay, so that's it. That's the second problem. Alright, so we've got one more problem like this, and then you'll have a Google form to fill out for the day. So I'm going to post this video along with the notes to Google Classroom and the form, just like always. And I think you guys are doing a great job keeping up with your work, and I'm so proud of all of you. Every time I see that you've done your work, it makes me smile. And we all need more smiles right now, so that's good. Keep it up. Alright, example 3, we're going to find the measure of angle M. And triangle looks like this. Helps if I can draw straight lines. This would go faster. Alright, so we have 55 degrees in this corner. 15 is this side. 27 is this side. M, L, N. Alright, here we go. So, if you think to yourself how you would set up this problem, remember opposite sides and angles pair up. So 27 over sine of 55 equals 15, because that's opposite angle M up here. So 15 over sine M. Okay, so cross multiply again. 15 sine 55 equals 27 sine M. So we're going to divide both sides by 27. That's a very hideous 7, but that's okay. Alright, so to figure this out, we're going to do 55 sine times 15 divided by 27 equals, and then second sine. And if you round it to the nearest tenth, this will equal 27.1 degrees. So angle M is 27.1 degrees. And that's it, you've done it. So hopefully finding missing angles using law of sines isn't too bad now. If you have any problems with it, please send me an email and I will be happy to help you. Okay, so I miss you all and I wish that we could see each other soon. But as you know, this is now going through April 30th. So keep up the good work, keep trying hard. Tell your classmates to keep working hard too, encourage each other. So that's it for today. Bye.